Now next question. Find all the zeros of 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So I told you already the number of zeros are depend on the degree of the polynomial. Here given the problem polynomial is what 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Its degree is what? Its degree is a 4. Then it should has a 4 zeros. But in this problem, they given 2 zeros and they asked to find out 2 more zeros. Okay? Let us go find out 2 more zeros. Solution. Let P of x is equals to 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 is a polynomial. And given zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Now we convert the zeros into factors. See, this plus root 2 can write as x minus root 2. This is the factor. And this minus root 2 can write as x plus root 2. If the 0 is positive, we write minus with x. And if 0 is negative, we write plus with x. Now, x minus root 2, x plus root 2 is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? Is a square minus b square. So, this is what a and it is what b. For a square, write x square. Minus, for b square, you write root 2 whole square. Now, cut the square and root. What we get? X square minus 2. Now, let this is the divisor. Now, we have to divide. We divide 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 by x square minus 2. Now we divide this 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 with x square minus 2. To find first quotient, what should we do? Divide the first term of dividend 2x power 4 by first term of divisor is what? X square. If we cancel 2x terms and numerator denominator, we get 2 more x terms in numerator and that becomes 2x square. 2x square. 2x square is multiplied with first term of divisor and also second term of divisor. So write 2 as it is. X square into x square is what? X power 4. 2x power 4. And plus into minus minus. 2 to the 4 x square. Minus 4x square. Write the x square term down. Because we write the similar terms. Now do minus. Here it is changed as a plus. 2x power 4 minus 2x power 4 gets cancelled. What remains? Minus 3x cube and minus 3x square plus 4x square is what? Plus 1x square. And copy the remaining terms plus 6x minus 2. Next to find second quotient. Here this is the first term of dividend. Minus 3 x cube divided with what? X square. Cancel 2x terms. There remain 1x term in the numerator. That is what? Minus 3x. Minus 3x is the second quotient. Now, second quotient minus 3x multiple with first term of divisor x square. The same is multiplied with minus 2 minus 3 x into x square x cube minus x cube minus x cube. Next, minus into minus is plus 3 to the 6 x plus 6x. Change the symbol. This is also, and minus 3x cube plus 3x cube gets cancelled, plus 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. So what is remain is here 1x square minus 2. Next, take the third quotient. For third quotient, first term of dividend minus 1x square divided with first term of divisor is what? X square. Cancel x square, x square. We get 1. So, plus 1. That is the third quotient. That is multiply with first term of divisor and also second term of the divisor. 1 into x square is what? X square. 1x square. 1 into minus 2 is what? Minus 2. Right? Minus 2. Now change the symbols. 1x square minus 1x square cancel. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. And remainder is what? 0. Now we have to find 2 more zeros. So for that we should find factors for the quotient. Now I am going to find zeros for the quotient. That's what I am equating this with 0. Here a is equals to what? 2 and b is what? Minus 3 and c is what? 1. I am going to do splitting the middle term. So for this, write a into c. A is what? 2 and c is 1. 2 ones are 2 and 2 factors are 1 2s are 2. And 1 plus 2 is what? 3. But it is minus 3. That's why you put minus here and also minus for 2. Minus 1 and minus 2 is what? Minus 3. And if you multiple these two, we get this. Minus to minus is plus, 1 to the 2. Write the first term 2x square as it is. Instead of this middle term, we have to write these two terms. Minus 1x minus 2x. In the last term, plus 1 equal to 0. Take the common from these two terms and common from these two terms. What will be the common? X. And inside 2x minus x is outside and 1 remain minus 1 common, right? 2x, 1 into 2x is 2x, minus into minus is what? Plus, and 1 ones are 1 equals to 0. Check once the bracket values are same or not. Yes, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, both are, we are getting the same. Next, take the bracket value as the common. So that is what? 2x minus 1 and here remains x and here minus 1 equals to 0. Separate the 0 to both. X minus 1 equals to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x is equals to minus 1 becomes plus 1. So x is equals to what? 1 by 2. And here x is equals to minus 1 becomes plus 1. Now these two are the 2 more zeros. Therefore, all 4 zeros are root 2 minus root 2 is already given in the question, and just we got 1 by 2 and what? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial, because our given polynomial's degree is what? 4. Then that has to 4 zeros. Here these are the zeros of the given polynomial. Question: on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. This will done by using division algorithm equation. In this question, the given this is the dividend and x minus 2 is a quotient and the remainder is what? Minus 2x plus 4. Here p of x is dividend. The dividend value is given as x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and quotient is a q of x is equals to x minus 2, and this is what remainder r of x is given as minus 2x plus 4. Then we have to find out g of x. This g of x will find by using division algorithm. The division algorithm is p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. But the values above is here, that substitute in this equation. Here p of x. What is p of x? Is given as x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equals to g of x is not given, then write as it is, into q of x is what? X minus 2 plus, and r of x is given minus 2x plus 4. Now next step is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equals to g of x into x minus 2 plus into minus 2x and plus into plus 4. And next we transfer these two terms minus 2x and 4 to left side. Then x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, this is right as it is, and this minus 2x becomes plus 2x and plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equals to g of x into x minus 2. Now we simplified it. X cube minus 3x square and plus x plus 2x is what? Plus 3x. Plus 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2 is equals to g of x into x minus 2. To find g of x, transfer this x minus 2 left side, that will what? By 2. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. To get g of x value, we have to divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Let us divide it. To find first quotient, divide the first term of dividend with the first term of divisor. Write x cube by x. So cancel this x and write is your 2 is equals to what? X square. The first quotient is what? X square. And first quotient is multiplied with first term of divisor is x, and the second term of divisor is what? Minus 2. X square into x is x cube. Write x cube. X square into minus 2, minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Now change the symbols, minus, and this minus becomes plus. X cube minus x cube just gets cancelled. Now it is minus 3x square plus 2x square is minus 1x square. Now we copy these two terms as it is, plus 3x minus 2. Now we need second quotient. To find second quotient, divide minus 1x square with x. This is what? First term of dividend divided by first term of divisor. So cancel x and square, we get minus 1x. Minus 1x is the second quotient. The second quotient is multiplied with first term of divisor and also second term of divisor, minus 2. Minus 1 into x is what? X square, minus 1x square. And this is what? Minus into minus is plus. 1 2s are 2x. The first one is what? Minus 1x square. And the second one is what? Plus 2x. Now change the symbols. Minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. Minus 1x square plus 1x square gets cancelled. Plus 3x minus 2x is plus 1x. And copy this minus 2 as it is. Now we find third quotient. First term of dividend is what? Minus 1x. And first term of divisor is what? X. Cancel x, remains 1. 1 is the third quotient. Plus 1. Now, and the third quotient is multiplied with first term of divisor and also second term of divisor. 1 into x is x and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. First term is what? X. I can write 1x and this is what? Minus 2. Change the symbols, minus and it is a plus. Cancel and minus 2 plus 2 also gets cancelled. Remainder is a 0. Therefore, g of x is equals to what? X square minus 1 into x is x plus 1. This is answer.